Hello, this is Mark Burstein here. Very excited to be with you today to talk to you about PropertyMinder's new mobile application. Hey, you know what? Maybe I should rephrase that, because in reality, it's not really PropertyMinder's new mobile application, because this mobile application is branded to you. Therefore, it's your new mobile application. Congratulations. Very excited to be bringing this technology to you, because PropertyMinder's always trending to be on the cutting edge of real estate technology to help real estate agents do their business, make life easier for real estate agents, make you more productive and more organized. And that's what our tools are all about. And this is just one of the new facets to our suite of products to help real estate agents be better real estate agents. So let's get into it. Why mobile? Well, mobile is where the direction of the trend of internet usage. Mobile internet usage is growing at a rapid rate, while desktop internet usage is kind of plateauing. It's not quite going down yet, but it is plateauing here, and the number of people that are using the mobile internet is growing year by year. The devices are getting better, they're getting faster, the bandwidth is getting faster. You can watch television on your mobile phone now. So the mobile phone is replacing the desktop computer. That is what the trend looks like it's going to be doing. Remember, a few years back with the mobile internet, or with the regular internet, you know, everyone all of a sudden had all this information at the palm, not in the palm of their hands, but on their desktops, in their offices. You can access the entire Library of Congress from the comfort of your own home. Well, with the mobile revolution, now you have that same power, the same access to information. We moved it from the den. We moved it from your office and put it directly into your pocket. So now that you have access to information from your pocket, from your mobile phone, and that's where the clients are, that's what they're starting to use. So it's very important for us as real estate professionals to adapt and maintain our methods of communication to be in line with our clients. So as we can see here, Morgan Stanley is doing some research. They predict by 2014 the mobile internet users will surpass the desktop internet users. So it's very important for us. That's one of the reasons I'm extremely excited about this opportunity, because right now we're at the forefront of the technology. This is still a new burgeoning technology, because let's face it, the new iPhone 5 just came out, the Galaxy S3, these super phones are now powerful enough to really give us unparalleled access to data from the palm of our hands and in our pockets. So it's very important that we stay ahead of the curve and communicate with clients the way the clients wanted to be communicated with. So the direction of technology is more and more people are using smartphones every day. And it's very important for us as professionals to be there to meet that need. You want to be able to share your brand and build your business. After all, that's why we take on marketing, right? We're doing marketing so we can get more clients and grow our brand, which is one of the reasons that PropertyMinder is empowering you with a self-branded mobile application. It helps you get new clients, and it also helps you communicate with the clients that you already have more effectively. Now, why do you want to brand yourself? Well, obvious. When you brand yourself, you build your business. Also, you get to capture all of the leads that are harvested from your system. They go directly to you. You can distribute this application to all of your clients. There's an unlimited number of people that you can distribute the PropertyMinder, your PropertyMinder mobile application to. You want to be able to eliminate the syndications. What we're talking about is, folks, there's companies out there that are leveraging real estate data to attract people to their website, to their application. They don't care if the data is accurate. They don't really have to interact with these clients beyond this technological connection that they've established. Whereas we as real estate professionals, we are the ones that are delivering the goods. We're making the transactions happen. We're helping clients buy and sell homes, showing them properties, listing their properties. We're actually in the trenches doing what we need to do. So it's very important that we are the ones that take back this information, and we are the ones that are providing the information to our clients. You don't want your clients going to Trulia. You don't want them going to Zillow. You don't want them going to any other website or any other listing tool besides the one that you provide. And with the PropertyMinder app, it's very, very powerful, because we are linked directly to the multiple listing service, so the data is always accurate, it's always up to date, there's no outdated listings, and fewer problems and time-wasting activities when interacting with your clients. So let's talk a little bit about this mobile application. Let's talk a little bit about the features. We'll talk about a little bit about the client tracking tools that you have. It gets you a tremendous amount of insight in what your clients are doing. And we'll talk about how to share this with your clients, how to distribute this application out to everybody that you know. So first of all, we have put this together on the iPhone and Android platforms because they represent the majority of the smartphone market. 83% are either working with the Androids or working with the iPhones. The other 17% are smaller devices like the BlackBerries and the new Windows technology. Now, if any of these technologies start gaining any momentum, we will definitely adapt and be able to bring this application to the table. But for now, we're just focusing on the majority, the Androids and the iPhones. Now, one of the biggest or greatest features of convenience in leveraging this technology is the speed at which listing information is accessed. The first thing that comes up when a client invokes their mobile application and basically turns it on is the system uses the GPS of the phone to show the 20 nearest homes that are active for sale surrounding the phone. That's the first thing that pops up, because many times when we envision this application to be in use is when clients are driving around, they're looking at neighborhoods, maybe they see a for sale sign, but gosh, the neighborhood kids made paper airplanes out of all the flyers in the flyer box. What are they going to do to get the information? Now, if they're your clients and they have your mobile application, all they have to do is pull out their smartphone, invoke the mobile application, and the first thing that pops up is information on the home that's nearest to them. Number one, quick access to the data that people might find the most useful right away. Of course, all the listing information is going to be agent branded to you. So regardless of whether it's your listing or someone else's listing in your office or someone else's listing from a different office, all the MLS listings are branded to you when being viewed on your mobile app. So you get your picture, your contact information, you get one-click call. If someone clicks on the little telephone, it calls your cell phone number or whatever number you have in the database immediately. You have access or information about the property. You have an opportunity for text messaging with request appointment buttons and request more information buttons, and also the social networking buttons, which allows the user to share listing information through their social networks, quickly post a property listing to Facebook. So let's say if their neighbor's house goes for sale and maybe they want a friend to move in next door, they can quickly and easily say, hey, my neighbor's house is for sale. I'd love to have one of my close friends come live next to me, and they use your device and they share that listing with their sphere of influence. And guess what? Again, they're sharing it on your mobile device. So guess who's branded on all of the data? You are. That's the power of having your own self-branded mobile application. Now you get all the photos that are on the MLS will also be displayed on the mobile application. You can swipe to scroll through photos or pinch to zoom in and expand to zoom out, the general convention for both now Android and iPhone phones. Buyers can stay organized by tracking their favorite homes. If it's an active buyer, they see homes they like, they can click it to add it to their favorites, and it'll track the home for them. If you're sharing this app with a homeowner that's looking for neighborhood activity in their area, they can also add the homes to favorites and track them through the sales process. If your MLS allows us to share pending and sold data, those owners or those buyers will be able to see exactly when the house goes pending and when it closes escrow and how much money the house closed escrow for. So that way they're informed, they feel secure about the value of their home. This is a great tool and a great reason to get this application and get this tool into the hands of everybody you know as fast as possible. Now, the few options and preferences that people have on the application, they can reset the property area. Let's say they run a search in one area, then they maybe drive half a mile and want to see what's for sale in that area. And then in the next area, they can reset the property area. They can reset their login with their client email and password that's tied into your PropertyMinder toolkit. We'll get into the technicalities of that at another time. And also if they need to reset their activation code. Basically, the activation code is what ties the PropertyMinder application to you. So every agent, you're going to have your own activation code that you're going to share with all of your clients. And those clients, because it's branded to only one agent, will be tied to you as long as they would like to. Now, heaven forbid something happens, you get out of the business a few years down the road, maybe you pass your business on to another agent, maybe you're selling your book of business, that client can then reset the activation code to a different agent should the need arise. Now, once the mobile application is downloaded in the smartphone, the clients will get instant access to the entire MLS. So it'll use the current location of the GPS device to be able to show the properties that are closest to the closest to where the phone is being used. Once the application is activated, all the client contact information will be stored into your toolkit. So once someone clicks on the activation code, their information will then be visible to you. They'll be registered users on your mobile app, and you'll have access to their data, their email address, and their phone number. Now, the system will also be able to click to call, request more info, and show information. So when the client is viewing properties, they can quickly and easily communicate with you to schedule an appointment for a viewing or talk about the property, let people know what you think, or get feedback on the properties that they view. And the closest homes available viewed in either the Google map, or you can also view it as a list. So that across the bottom, there's a few options. They can see it on the map. They can click the properties button and see the properties as a list. Also, if maybe they're not interested in homes in the area where they're located, but they still want to use the app to search for properties in an area where they'd like to live, they can use the search feature and search throughout the entire MLS area, just like they would be able to if they were on your website. They can add homes to favorites so they can track and stay organized on homes that they're interested in. They can add as many properties as favorites to the list, and you have the ability and the insight to see what your clients' favorites are, so you can track what homes your clients like the most. And again, your clients will have access to all the photos that are on the MLS, so when they're searching on their phone, it's a very powerful search. There's really no sacrifice as far as the data as far as the client's concerned, as far as the data that's being shown, so they can quickly and easily make evaluations and determine whether or not they want to see a property. Now, this is where the rubber meets the road with our solution as opposed to some of the others that might be in the marketplace, and that's our ability to track the clients. And because we have a complete system here, it's not just a mobile app, because you have your entire PropertyMinder Acceleragent website marketing package. Everything works together to give your client a full experience and to give you a full experience as far as being able to maintain your client relationship. So you have your your client toolkit. You can track through website statistics, or you can track through client relationship management or client tracking right below client relationship management to see what kind of activities your clients are doing, not only just on your website, but now on your PropertyMinder mobile application. So in the CRM, there will be a folder for mobile applications, so you can see who is using the mobile application. You can see which properties they're viewing in the mobile application, as well as statistics, and you have insights into their favorites. Whatever favorites they have there, you can click on that button and you can see exactly what properties are of most interest to your clients. You get them in a view in your toolkit, so you have quick access in case a client would like to request a showing. All you have to do, if you click the MLS number, you get in your toolkit the full agent view of the property listing details. So you have all the information you need to be able to schedule an appointment, to be able to communicate with the listing agent. So you can call the listing agent, see what the offer procedures are. You don't have to log out of PropertyMinder and log back into the MLS. We give everything to you to make your life easy and more convenient. That's one of the reasons you love us and work with us as your marketing solution for your real estate business. Now, as far as distributing the mobile app, a few ways that the app is going to be distributed. Number one is the mobile detect. A lot of people get their email notifications these days on their cell phone. So if you have clients that are in your toolkit that are communicating or looking at property details through the traditional way on their desktops, now if they're accessing that information from their mobile device, the system will automatically prompt them to download your free mobile app when they invoke property listing details from their phone. Also, on your desktop, there will be on your website, there's going to be a desktop landing page which will have all the information to be able to download into the phone. So the clients on your website, they see, oh, download a free mobile app. It will give them the instructions on how to do it with both the iPhone and the Android, and automatically embedding their activation code to make it super easy. Apple's also going to be available in the iPhone stores, as well as we will have a few email campaigns that will empower you with, if you like to use our email campaigns, to go ahead and spread the word about the mobile app. And remember, folks, distributing You can distribute the mobile app to an unlimited number of users. There's no additional fees or additional costs to being able to spread the mobile app to 5 people as opposed to 5,000 people. So have at it. Go crazy. Try to capture as much market share as you possibly can in the shortest amount of time possible. So how it works, if someone's on your website, all they have to do is type in their phone number. The system will send a text message that'll give them instructions on how to download the mobile app, and then also let them know of the activation code. Your activation code is going to be unique, and also it's going to be pretty easy for you to remember. I believe we'll even have a system to be able to have you select what your activation code is. That way, if people are calling you, if they're having problems, you don't have to worry about accessing some database to find out what your code is. We'll make it so that you can establish what that code is and make it easy for you to spread the word to your clients. So the visitor goes down, they follow the link that's in the text, and it prompts them through the Google Store or the Google Play Store or the iPhone Store to be able to get the mobile app and have it running on their phone. So the Property mobile app, remember, it incorporates the GPS of the phone. It enables the user to see all property listings through IDX, allows them to leverage a map-based search interface so they can definitely narrow down the neighborhood they want to live in right on their phone, allows you to sort results by price, by bedrooms, bathrooms, size of home, or days on market, and also it provides client tracking so that as agents, you know who's being active with their mobile device. You know who is looking at the property listings, you know what time they're looking at the property listings, and you know which listing they're looking at, how much they're looking at each listing, so that when you engage your clients, you call them and talk to them about real estate, you have insight. You know what homes they're already interested in, and you can easily set appointments, showing appointments, engage motivation by leveraging the information you know through the client tracking tools. Clients can add all their information or track their favorite homes to the favorites button, and all iPhones and Android phones can leverage the PropertyMinder or your mobile application. So remember, you get everything in one place. That's one of the beautiful things about working with a company like PropertyMinder to be your marketing system solution, because we give you everything in one centralized location. You have your real estate website, so people can search online on their desktops. You have a full client relationship management toolkit, so you can send messages, track clients, maintain your database. We have a suite of email campaigns that you can add to, import your own, so you can communicate with your clients and maintain top-of-mind awareness so that when you're ready to refer, when they're ready to make a move, they think of you. We have a Craigslist posting tool, which allows you to post beautiful, beautiful ads for your listings on Craigslist with a click of a button. Single property websites, so you can have beautiful virtual tours of your listings and really showcase your talents as a listing professional, a CMA builder. Facebook, IDX, so if you have a Facebook page, we can put the whole MLS with you as a reference on all the listings on your Facebook page so people can search on your Facebook page. We offer one-on-one training, superior customer service, and now the future mobile application all in one package. So you don't have to go from one system to another system and track your leads in your website and then track your leads from your mobile app and then try to combine them onto an Outlook or yada, yada, yada. None of that. Confusion is completely out the door because you have everything in one centralized place so you can most effectively run a profitable and efficient business. Now, the good news, packages with the mobile application, if you're working with PropertyMinder on a premium package or an ultra package, it's included at no extra charge. Nothing, zero, zilch, no setup fees, no additional monthly fees. It's there for you. Get the app, get it going, and get it out to your database as fast as possible. If you're on an enterprise or an office solution, you get one mobile app license for your main office, but your agents, they'll have to have their own premium package, and the pricing is going to vary depending on the size of your office. So please contact sales, and they'll be able to walk you through everything. If you're not a premium or ultra member and you'd like the mobile app, all you have to do is upgrade. I think the fee is pretty nominal. The difference in price for what you get is really nothing when you think about it. I think the average cost, depending on the MLS fees, is around $100 a month. $100 a month for a complete office solution, which includes a website, a mobile application, CRM, MLS, everything in one centralized place. Folks, it's a no-brainer. Additional few dollars, get the mobile app, upgrade to premium and ultra. My name is Mark Burstein. I'm very happy, very excited that you were able to view this presentation, and I look forward to interacting with you in the future with regards to helping you build your business and helping you leverage the PropertyMinder mobile application, or once again, it's not PropertyMinder, it's your mobile application. Thank you so much for being with me here today. I really appreciate it. Take care.